Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Thinking Mom. Welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be playing Midnight Camping. Now, oh, okay. There was controls, but I missed it by accident. So yeah, so there's no menu. I opened up the game, and there was just this started. Flashlight. May I have? What? I'm pressing everything. Is that? Oh. Press space and I can't sleep. Okay. This is midnight camping, but I can't sleep. I might as well start to pack up. What is this? Something is in front of me. Okay. Oh wait, is that some? Oh. Can I can't pick it. Oh. Who the hell is that? What? Oh. Go investigate. What the hell is going on with this guy? Hello? Is anyone there? No answer. Okay, let's head back to my car. Okay. Do I Where's the freaking flashlight? There was a flashlight here. Can't go back there. This is my car. Hold on, oh. So maybe I'll go. I can't go here. What the hell? There's not much places I could go. Okay, I can't do nothing with that. I'm pressing everything. I could barely look down. Hell? Whoa. What the hell? What does it want me to do? Go investigate, but I can't go back there, so where will I go? Hold on. Okay, I found something. So I came back here and there was the second path. Can I go this side? No. Okay, this path wasn't here before, so something new happening. Okay. Yeah, let's just ignore packing up and just follow this way as far as leads to our house in the forest. Hello? Oh! No! Jeez. Oh. I'm back here. I'm lagging. Oh shit, wait, what? Okay, I guess the game not over. This is a flashlight. Why can't I use it? Okay, let's try it again. Where's Where's my bed? Whoa. My bed's not here. Can I use this? I would love this. Okay, I'll ignore that. Let's take a walk down here. Why is everything turning more rainbow color? I see something. Ah, this hit my eyes. Oh, another camp. Okay. So far. Oh, fire. Hello. Oh, my bed. Good. I am asleep. Oh, help. Where? Oh. Whoa. What? Wait, what? Wait, did the game start over? Okay, this was a touch light. Wait, is that it? I can't see. Oh, wait. Wait on top of it. I saw something. I see that. Wait. Oh, it did start over. Oh, I did put it on the screen. Wait. Oh, wait. Okay, so the touchlight is gone. Okay, I'll get anybody here because that's the end of the game, I guess. So yeah, so thanks so much for watching, everybody. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.